Today I'm showing my little feeling that I think is in she's a person that's very coordinated and my stepsister and this is me in showing little shower and half process of food. This is my brother and my brother something about and this is the one and my dad and my sister and my house. And